Welcome to Chapter 11, Posting and Subsidiary Ledgers. Essential outcomes for Chapter 11. You are going to post to the general ledger and subsidiary ledgers by A. Identifying accounting concepts and practices related to posting to ledgers. B. Posting separate items from a purchases, cash payments, and general journal on an accounts payable ledger. C. Posting separate items from a sales, cash receipts, and general journal to an accounts receivable ledger. D. Posting separate items from a cash payments and general journal to a general ledger. E. Posting special journal column totals to a general ledger. F. Journalizing and posting correcting entries affecting customer accounts. And G. Connecting key terms in the chapter with application. Welcome back to 11-4. Now that we have completed posting all of our individual transactions, it is now time to start our posting of our totals. We will start with our sales journal. If you look at our sales journal, we have 3 specialty columns: accounts receivable debit, sales credit, sales tax payable credit. We need to post the ending totals on the 30th to each of these accounts in the general ledger. So, starting with our accounts receivable in our general ledger, we will write the date, then we will record the post reference number of S11. We have a debit total of $9,068.06. We will take this total and record it in accounts receivable underneath our debit column. Then we will determine our new debit balance. The last step is to go back to the sales journal underneath the accounts receivable debit column after the double ruled line and record in parentheses the account number. Then we will take our sales credit total, go into our general ledger sales account, and record the date, the post reference S11. We will record a credit of $8,723 and then calculate our new credit balance. The last step would be to go to the sales credit column in our sales journal and in parentheses record the account number. The last specialty column that needs to be posted is the total for sales tax payable credit. We will go to our general ledger account, find our sales tax payable, record the date, the post reference, the credit amount of $345.06, calculate our new balance, and then the last step would be to go back to our sales journal and record in our sales tax payable column in parentheses the account number. This shows that we have posted all 3 specialty columns into our general ledger accounts. Posting the totals of a purchases journal to a general ledger. Since we have already posted all of the accounts individually that needed to be credited, it is now time to post our purchases debit total and our accounts payable credit total. We will go to our purchase account in our general ledger, record the date, record the post reference number P11. We will record the debit amount of $17,148.08. We will then calculate our new balance for purchases and then go back to our purchases journal, and in the purchase debit accounts payable credit column, underneath the double ruled lines, in parentheses, record our account number. The second account that we need to post to is our accounts payable credit. So we will go to our accounts payable in our general ledger, record the date, the post reference, the credit amount of $17,148.08. Then we will calculate our new balance. The last step is to show that we posted to our general ledger. So we will go in our purchases debit accounts payable credit column, and right after our account number for purchases, in parentheses, we will put our account number for accounts payable. This shows that we have posted twice, once to our purchases account, once to our accounts payable account in the general ledger. Posting special amount column totals of a cash receipts journal to a general ledger. If we look closely at our cash receipts journal, there are 5 specialty columns that need to have totals posted into the general ledger. We will start with our accounts receivable credit column, column 3. We will go to our general ledger. Underneath our accounts receivable, we will record the date, the journal page number in our post reference column. We will record the total of $9,540 credit into accounts receivable, and then calculate our new balance. The last step is to go back to column 3 and record in parentheses the account number. Then we will record our sales credit column, column 4, in our cash receipts journal. We will go to our sales account in our general ledger, record the date, the post reference number, a credit of $27,532. We will then calculate the new balance for sales. And the last step is to go back to column 4 in our accounts receivable journal and record in parentheses the account number. Then we will record and post the total for sales tax payable credit, column 5 in our cash receipts journal. We will go to sales tax payable, record the date, the post reference. We will credit sales tax payable for the total of $1,648.80. Calculate the new balance for sales tax payable, and then go back to our cash receipts journal, and in parentheses we will show that we posted by writing the account number. The next account total that we will post is column 6. We will post $52.50 into our sales discount general ledger account. We will write the date, the post reference, record the debit amount, and then determine the new balance. The last step is to go back and in parentheses record the account number. The last account to be recorded and posted is our cash credit or cash debit. We will go into our cash account in the general ledger, record the date, the post reference, and we will record the debit of $38,668.80. Then we will determine our new cash balance. The last step is to show that we posted this total by going into our cash receipts journal and writing in parentheses the account number. Posting special amount column totals of a cash payments journal to a general ledger. If we look at our cash payments journal, we have 5 columns. Looking at columns 1 and 2, our general debit and credit columns. If you look underneath the totals, you will see a check mark in parentheses. This means that these totals are not to be posted. The reason why they are not posted is because we have already posted them individually into their appropriate accounts. So we will start our posting in our cash payments journal with column 3, accounts payable debit, then our purchases discount credit, and then our cash credit. So we will go into our general ledger, and in our accounts payable column, we will write the date, the journal page number, and then we will record our $17,984 debit, and then calculate our new balance. The last step is to go back to column 3 and in parentheses record the account number. The next account that we will post to is our purchases discount credit. We will write the date, the post reference number. We will credit discount for $154.84. We will calculate our new balance and then go back to the cash payments journal, and underneath the total, in parentheses, we will record the account number in column 4. The last account to be posted to is our cash credit. We will go to our cash account in the general ledger, record the date, the post reference, and then the credit of $32,901.40. We will then determine our new credit balance, and the last step will be to put the account number in parentheses underneath the cash credit column. These account numbers indicate that the totals for each of the specialty columns 3, 4, and 5 have been posted appropriately into the general ledger. Congratulations, you have just finished the 4th part of the PowerPoint. Please open your accounting book to page 326. You will need work together pages 261 through 263. These are the same working papers that you used for 11-3 work together. If you need assistance, please let me know. Congratulations, you have just finished the 4th PowerPoint.